In the heart of Northern Ireland, winter has come, and it's here to stay. The brand new Game of Thrones studio tour brings to life one of the world's most successful TV dramas ever. The HBO show, 73 episodes, 56 Primetime Emmy wins, was filmed in large part here, inside the 110,000 square feet of Linden Mill Studios. And those iconic sets remain, in large part, totally intact. Like the Great Hall at Winterfell, the ancestral home of House Stark, where Jon Snow was declared King of the North and Sansa was crowned Queen. Dragonstone, the ancestral home of House Targaryen, home to the infamous map table where so many critical battles were devised. At Beyond the Wall, you can almost feel the chill in the air as you head into the frozen north and the world of White Walkers, wildlings, and giants. And the Hall of the Iron Throne, so much at the heart of the Game of Thrones story, remains as it stood at the very end of the show's 8 seasons. The studio tour is interactive and immersive. Guests go behind the scenes, original costumes and props, and the green screens and cutting-edge technology that took viewers into the very depths of the 7 kingdoms of Westeros. For Northern Irish actor Ian McElhenney, Barristan the Bold, the Lord Commander of the Kingsguard, the studio tour experience feels familiar and real.
It's one thing seeing it on the screen, but once you're in situ, it's just a very personal experience, and everything around you is from the show, so you're immersed in it.
Filming and production took place here just as it did across so many locations across Northern Ireland, the sweeping landscapes here becoming intricate parts of the wildly popular fantasy drama. The dark hedges, a bucolic tunnel of twisting beech trees, became King's Road, and now a favorite countryside destination for the show's fans. Interestingly, trees down during a storm in 2016 were carved into doors depicting key scenes from the show and hung in local pubs and hotels. They're now a popular self-guided tour. And Ballantoy Harbor, a coastal enclave turned movie set in 2011, now draws fans of the show with its sweeping, stunning views. Cities like Belfast are tapping into the popularity of Game of Thrones too. Stained glass windows showcasing key filming locations take visitors on a nearly 2-mile trail through Northern Ireland's capital. And when we joined many of those fans during the December holiday season, the holiday spirit was palpable.
Belfast at Christmas time, this city gets festive, a little chill in the air, but plenty of cheer as well, drawing people from all over who come get some of that holiday shopping done at places like this, the world-famous Christmas market outside Belfast City Hall.
The Christmas market is an annual tradition here in Belfast, the month-long Yuletide marketplace featuring dozens of vendors and drawing thousands of revelers from all over the world. The food options are an international mix, plenty of gifts and stocking stuffers, and just a snapshot of a holiday spirit that sweeps across the city.
Perfect.
Bright, vivid, colorful displays abound, tunnels of lights across the city's many alleys. Popular hotels transformed, all a seasonal reminder that Northern Ireland is indeed a year-round tourist destination. Belfast paying homage to its rich maritime past, including its claim to fame as the home of the Titanic. And the city of Derry to the west, Northern Ireland's walled city, historic and cosmopolitan, with award-winning museums, a bustling food scene, and festivals year-round. And embracing it all, those gorgeous landscapes that wow with their sheer beauty, that keep a tale about dueling kingdoms and flying dragons alive, and that endure as a dream destination for travelers year-round. With videographer Paul Daniel, I'm Gabe Saglie for Travelzoo.